guys, today is our second day and it's actually a nice sunny day today, so I'm not sure what that's going to mean for the snowfall, if it's going to be anywhere near as good as it was yesterday. Yesterday was absolutely amazing. Mount Buffalo is about 22 minutes from us. We're in Freeborough. I'll put a map up and show you exactly where we are in relation to everything, but we're fairly central here, which is sort of why we chose this spot. So yeah, we're heading to Mount Buffalo. Not sure what Mount Buffalo is going to be like. I'm not sure if the snowfall is going to be anywhere near as good as it was yesterday, but we're pretty keen to see. The kids are just as excited as yesterday as well. So we'll head on into the car and we'll start to get going. We're just packing everything up now and making sure we've got our supplies for the day. We're probably going to head into town and into Bright and do a little bit of shopping, get a few bits and pieces, make sure we're all stocked up for dinner and breakfast and everything, and then head straight through to Mount Buffalo.
It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so long.
We've just had a quick stopover in Bright on our way through to Mount Buffalo. We've just stopped in at the ski shop there. There's a couple of ski shops in town. We've got Kiana some nice warm gloves. She was complaining a little bit yesterday that the gloves that she already had weren't quite keeping her hands warm, unfortunately. So yeah, we've got her some nice gloves now. We're going to make our way through to Mount Buffalo and see what the conditions are like there, see if we can do some tobogganing. Bianca said there's some waterfalls on the way that we might stop and see as well, so that should be nice.
Leather jacket though is too cold. Saw your face.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. Just checking you got change.
Yes, we do.
Excellent. So it's quite busy, so there's lots of people around, so just take it easy.
Yep.
And there's some sections of the road that are a bit icy,
Okay.
so just watch out.
Take it
for
easy.
that.
Yep, no problems.
All right,
All
no
right,
worries.
thank you.
Thank you.
So we're in Mount Buffalo National Park now. You can see back there that we were stopped by what looks like maybe the National Park Rangers, just making sure that we have snow chains because it's a requirement if you're heading up the hill. She did say it was quite busy as well, so we'll see what it's like once we get up there. It's beautiful through here.
She's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend. Never thought.
This is absolutely beautiful through here. It's amazing. So we are at Eurobin Falls picnic area. Just see this giant waterfall that comes down. I'm not even sure you're going to be able to see it on camera, but way off in the distance up there, that massive fall, and then it makes its way all the way down here. Beautiful. The water's crystal clear. Beautiful and green around here.
You're a place of a spring break, a heartache. I do it all over again. Do it all over again.
So this one is called Ladies Falls, I'm pretty sure. Pretty spectacular. Have a look at this.
Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for you.
Is that pretty amazing?
Yeah.
Very pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to go for a swim in there?
No.
Too cold?
Yeah.
top there is absolutely huge. So I think we're going to go to the next lookout and see if we can see it a little bit better up here. It's beautiful all through here with all the steps. Very picturesque through here. It's this lower Eurobin Falls lookout. Wow. You can see that it goes all the way right at the top there, all the way down. Made our way all the way up to the top. This place is called Cresta Valley. Looks pretty cool as well. I think there's not as much snow as there normally is at the moment, but still definitely doable. There's a couple of little slopes up there. We'll get the toboggans out and we'll go for a bit of a slide. Without slipping over. No.
Oh no.
Pick a slope. Ready?
Yeah.
So. Go fast?
Yeah.
You gotta lean, 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 lean.
Okay.
Ready?
No.
Oh no!
That was fun.
Kiana's going to go down with Ollie, just those two. Down the big slope. Alright, so wait, you hold this. You got this. Alright, you guys ready?
No.
And Ollie, your feet, let Ollie's feet come up the side. Yep. Alright, 3, 2, go!
Wait, this is... Oh no! That was fun! That was awesome. That was awesome.
How cool is that? What a great place. This place is free to come and use with tons of parking here as well. It was about a 40-minute drive out of Bright. Highly recommend coming and spending the day down here. That's amazing. That was a great time here. Gonna start heading back to the caravan now, I think.